Today we'll talk about how can you find your health data on your Wearfit app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down here. You click here on me down here. You just click on it. So then automatically it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on your photo profile. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, so you just, sorry, we will go back here. You go down, sorry, you will go down here. Then here you will find here health data. You just click on it. Then here you will find all your data here. If you want to looking for steps or distance or so any of this here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.